In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on Bluehost in July 2025. If you're looking to save big on web hosting this month, now is the perfect time to jump in. Bluehost is offering exclusive discounts on their hosting plans, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. With Bluehost, you get everything you need to launch a professional site, like a free domain for the first year, free SSL certificates, unmetered bandwidth, 24/7 support, and one-click WordPress installation, which makes it super easy to get started. Before I show you how to claim the deal, I wanted to just give you an overview of what Bluehost is. So Bluehost is one of the most trusted web hosting providers out there, and it's especially great if you're planning to build your site on WordPress. In fact, WordPress actually officially recommends Bluehost as one of the best hosting services for beginners. What's cool about Bluehost is that it's simple to use, but still powerful enough to grow with your site. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business site, you've got options. Their plans are built to support everything from basic personal sites to high traffic websites and even e-commerce. You also get access to an easy to use dashboard, free email accounts, and reliable customer support if you ever get stuck. And when it comes to performance, Bluehost delivers solid uptime and speed, which helps keep your visitors happy and your rankings strong. Okay, so let's dive into how to get the actual discount. So what you want to do is use our link in the description below. And then as you can see, this is the special offer that's only if you use our link. So if you click get started now, as you can see, they have a couple of different plans here. So you can save 80% on the starter plan, which brings it to just $199 per month. With this, you get easy website creation, free domain, 99.9% uptime, 24/7 WordPress, and so much more. Then they've got the e-commerce essentials. So this is $6.99 a month, and you can save 61% on this plan, and it comes with everything in the starter plan, but you get built-in malware detection removal, optimized page load speed, and e-commerce tools as well. And then lastly is the WordPress cloud. So this is $16.99 per month. With this plan, you get everything that's in the e-commerce plan, but you get 100% uptime SLA. You also get other things like Yoast Premium included and so much more. They also do have custom plans, but you do have to call and chat with an expert. So with the custom plan, you get one-to-one plan guidance, hosting options overview, budget and technical advice, and so much more. So if you want to get started with either of these plans, to make sure you're getting the best price possible, use our link down below. All you have to do is type in a domain, or you can choose a domain later. So just so you know, you can pay monthly, 1 year, or 3 years, but in order to get the best price possible, you want to make sure you're doing the 3-year plan. You also can add other things like Yoast SEO Premium and boost visitor trust with Premium SSL. They also do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if before the 30 days is up, you don't feel like it's the best fit for you, you can get your money back. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.